very nice. After
the output in your phone is just really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother, I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary, that is the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens. And they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in, and they are ready to give you all the knowledge required even if you are a beginner. So I really felt good about this visit, and I would really recommend XLR to everyone who's listening to this, and also to all my friends, that I had a very good experience with XLR, and I would suggest you to experience the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satish and I am from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I am here to share my experience about XLR program. I took part in the XLR program that was conducted in the last month about the mobile app development using Flutter. What I liked the most about this session was the trainer started from the scratch. That means even the beginner who don't know about the basics of the program, even they can learn which was the final outcome. Thank you XLR for giving me this opportunity, and I would also recommend all my friends to take part in the XLR programs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tasneem. I'm the Senior Manager at 98 Percentile in the HR department, and today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident, and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Pathan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th Percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. It was a great experience altogether.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
This was my first association with XLR. I had got a call from Miss Shubha and we fixed a drive here. Today when we came here, I was not expecting much, but the hospitality was too good, staff is quite cooperative, and it's like a happy-go-lucky kind of a environment here when it comes to XLR people. When it comes to candidates, yeah, we have got few candidates and they are all agreeing to all our terms and conditions, and I hope they join the organization and work for us, and I'm expecting long-term association with XLR people with more recruitments or more collaborations with them.
XLR has been a good partner for us because we found some of the candidates were excellent, and we wanted people with good business experience, not only just the Java or whatever full stack development or whatever they were being trained on. They were also people with a good background knowledge and whom we have really shortlisted, and we assume that they are going to make a good career in BusyBrains.
XLR arranged our placements for the BusyBrains company. I felt good. I hope that it will be positive for us and change our lives in IT sector. So thank you, XLR.
Hi, my name is Revant. I joined XLR's course of data analytics. While the course was going through, the faculty were very good. They were guiding us really well and they were providing in-depth insights of the industry. We were taught the latest things, we were taught what the industry needs, and after that, post completion of my course, we were going through a live project where we were facing real-time scenarios and we were encountering all those scenarios which we would be encountering in a job. We completed the project and we got through a certification which stated that we got a data analytics certification from XLR, and after that we were placed in mock interviews, and they also gave us how the interviews are and how tough they are. The interviews were really good, and post completion of the mock interview they started placement drives. Today is my first placement drive in a company called Busy Brain. I really want to thank XLR for providing me this opportunity, and I'm really hoping to see much more opportunities in the future. Thank you, XLR.
When I came into XLR, the learning experience was very good. Today there was the interview session from Busy Brains company. The interview session went extremely well. I got to learn many new things. Thank you, XLR.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. So, we'll start the session. Roshan, you can take up the class.
Yeah, thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is loud and clear to everyone. Okay, thank you so much, Mahesh, Ekta, Samita, Shakshi. Thank you, guys. Ajit, thank you so much for the confirmation. Good evening, very good evening to all of you, people watching from YouTube, people watching from Zoom and all that. Very good evening, guys. So yesterday, what we did, like we talked about the organic social media. Now we will be going and we will be talking about the advertisement. But before that, let's understand some basic of advertisements and all. So again, as per advertisements, if I say like, what do we understand with the advertisements and organic marketing? Like how both are different? Like for example, what we understood yesterday was a part of organic marketing and all that. Uh, and then afterwards, if I talked about advertisements, we need to pay and all that. So what your take, like what is advertisements here? What we understand with advertisement? Good evening, very good evening, everyone. A paid form of communication. Harshal is saying, sir, advertising is basically promoting our product. Okay. And what about other people? What is advertisement, guys? Collab. Okay. Can be collab, can be part of influencer marketing also. Making consumer aware. Okay. Awareness on product services, promoting the product marketing. Okay. So again, in advertisement, how we should go? Like, what do you guys say? Like, we should just go and we should just start selling our product, or we should focus on awareness first, and then we can tell people benefits, and then we can tell people about the product that we are selling or the service that we are doing that. Follow AID awareness. Okay. So about an industry use the call to attention of the public to something, typically a product or service, the definition, making an opinion for the people, awareness and sale. Okay. Now again, let me go and let me show you like positive talks about product. Okay. Let's see one video. Let's see only one video we will see. Like let me share my screen and let me come like share the computer sound as well. Wait. Now, let me just go and let me show you how the awareness campaign should be and how we think as a marketer and all. Just I will YouTube. So as many people are here, so I will be taking the English version of ad. Wait, let me see here. Just a second. Yeah. So many part will be in Hindi, but again, like it is mostly in English and Hindi both. But again, you have to understand the context here. It is just a 2-minute video that I wanted to show you to help you out, like when you guys create awareness campaign and when you go and when you do that, so how you can use that. And then I will tell you like with the AI also how we can make sure we can create something good for the awareness and all that. So let's first see that. So again, let me play this. And I'm giving the link also. In my case, like some people who are unable to view due to any reasons. So you guys can click on the link and you can go. It is a YouTube link and all. But again, let's see that. Watch that together. Okay, let's see.
एक बार जब मैं गिर गई तो लगा बस गॉन है, अब चांस नहीं है।
वी नेवर थॉट कि भी हम लोग को कि भी कुछ एक दूसरे को हेल्प कर ले, क्रॉल कर ले, कुछ एक अलग आइडियाज जो होते ना आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग वो नहीं थी।
ये रूल्स हमने बना लिए, हमने खुद बना लिए।
अच्छा, और वो एक ही कंप्लीट करने के बाद अगर गिर भी रहे हैं तो वापस जा रहे हैं उसी क्यू में कि अब हम दोबारा से करेंगे। वो हम लोग हट रहे थे कि नहीं करना।
उनने ट्राई नहीं किया, अंकल आंटी ने। हम लोग ट्राई कर लेते। उनको डर लगा, उन्हें हार मान ली। तो जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तब एक ही चांस मिलता है? कौन बोला? बच्चे हार मानते नहीं क्योंकि वो हार जानते ही नहीं।
तो क्या बच्चों को हारना हम सिखाते हैं? सर्फ एक्सेल, हार को हराओ।
Now again, if you see this ad, how many of you like this ad on personally, like suppose as a like a user, how many of you like this ad? Can we have in the comment section? Do we like that ad? Surf Excel ad that we have seen? Don't like? No. Like, okay. Mix like results we have. But I think most of like 70% people, I guess, are doing that by liking it and all that. So again, I will say this is an example. You can find multiple examples. What I will suggest you after today class, na, go whoever loves Hindi language, whoever loves their own, particularly your own native language of states and all that, you can go and you can search the ad. You can search for Surf Excel, you can search for Fevicol, you can search for Nescafe ads and all that, even Mercedes you can search and all, and you will find there are tons of ad that you can say is there that can be again done and that can be made to make people aware about your product, to make people aware about generally, like you can say, make people aware about your services and all that. Why? Because awareness ad should be about some emotion, should be about about your social responsibility, should be about something that people make people think about it, like people have should have the impact after that ad and all that generally. So but generally, if I talked about, there are many ads, many ads. I won't be able to show you all, but what I will suggest, I'm giving you name like Tata Motors ad. You can see like Eid ad, Ramzan ad. There are many Google ads. You can see not Google ads, Google ads means what Google ad that they run in Hindi and English. You can see that Mercedes ad and all that. So what message I want to give you, awareness ad has to be about awareness. It should not be about let's go and buy my course. For example, let's use AI and let's try to create one awareness ad with the help of AI. Like suppose we don't have the much like camera or a team that can go and that they can shoot or do video editing right now. But again, when you will go with company, you will have. So you can always go in YouTube and you can search for a brilliant awareness ad ideas and all that. Now, what I will do, there's a tool called InVideo. Now, what does InVideo tool does? Like this is an AI tool and all that. So what we will do, we will try to create one awareness ad. And yes, we have to make changes and all that in that. But let's see how it goes. We will take just 5-10 minutes to create one awareness ad. And let's create for XLR, for example. So what I will do, I will use the tools that I have already taught you. Like suppose I will go here, XLR, digital marketing program. So suppose for digital marketing we are doing. So I will go here and I will go ahead and I will go to Perplexity AI. If you remember this tool, already we have talked about that. So I will just go and I will write here and I will say, I want you to give me the important point of this page and digital marketing course they offer, and just let's enter. And now just see they are giving all the options and all that. So what I will go and I will do that, I will copy here. And then afterwards, I will just go to ChatGPT. I will go to ChatGPT and all that. And then what I will do here is, I will just go here and I will just paste that. And I will say, I want you can try with any AI tool. I want you to create a script of video ads of 2 minutes, or suppose 60 second of 60 second. And suppose we are using on Instagram, for example, 60 second reel of Instagram and keep it informational and inspiring about career change. So suppose at XLR, we do focus on careers, building careers and all that, about careers in digital marketing. So again, I am showing what I am typing here. See what I did. I just typing this small prompt. I want you to create a script of video ads for 60-second reel of Instagram and keep it informational and inspiring about career at digital marketing. Using the above information, using the above information I provided you. And then just let's enter. Now again, let's wait here. Now again, you can see end of the ad. Now again, I will copy this. I will go to that InVideo AI. The name of this software is InVideo AI. You guys can also try for free, but if you want watermark free, then you need to pay to them. So trying is free. So after today's class, I will suggest everyone to try that. Then you will go to login. So suppose if I logged in here, I already have an account. You guys can make the account and I will choose here script to video because I have the script. So I will just go and I will paste it here. And again, I will go here and I will go. Wait. End of the ad. Let's keep it. Now if I go here. Yeah. Now again, I can choose. There are many settings like voices and all you can choose and all that. Normally, whatever I want, let's keep it like voice. Let's keep it young Indian, heavy Northern English voice, like some heavy voices and all that. Now, again, after that, subtitles. So suppose I wanted like highlight, spoken word highlight and all that. Then afterwards, I will click on continue and generate a video. This is InVideo AI. You can save the name. You can go and you can particularly keep it. And just wait for 1-2 minutes. And let's see how it does. Yeah, and what I like about this tool, it is AI. Yes, it has the price for the premium, but again, you can change the script. You can change whatever you don't like. And again, you can change the media as well. Particularly, you can use media from Pixels or anywhere and all if you like. Or if you have your own shooted video, you can just replace with that. So just wait here. So it does take a little bit time, but let's see how it does. Yeah, you can add that. You can add anything. You can add your logo, everything you can add. Again, see, it is doing all the work and all that. Image art though you can make from Canva. You can see lot of ideas and all that you can go and you can make and all that generally. But let the output come before decide anything. Let's first output come. Let's see that together and then decide how it is. Yes, Mahesh, you can go ahead. Yes, you can add that. I will show you how you can. Content creation is creating content across platform like for social media, for YouTube, for email marketing, for websites and all that. Yeah, 8 GB is perfectly okay. No, it's free, of course, for trying. But again, if you want, you need to pay. So it goes like a different plan it has for the paid one, but for see results. Yeah, it's fine. 8 GB, 256 GB. So let's wait. Just wait for 1 minute more, guys. it will be able to create that, because again it will be creating video, so that's why it does take a little bit time. So that is fine, just wait for that. Yes, it does give you you can try like 10 minutes per month for free, but it will be having logo of that like in video logo will be there. Yes, content creation, because again nowadays it's all about content. So if you are the one who creates content and a good relevant content, then again it does not help you. In WordPress, you can do that. WordPress websites, when you make that, you can make a page specially designed for the advertisement purpose. Again, it is little bit more time it is taking, but just let's wait. It will be worth it watching. Then we will be seeing some setting in the meta ads and some options that we can go and we can do in the LinkedIn as well. So just wait that. Yeah, it happens in WordPress. And suppose if client has made the websites, guys, in the like you can say other languages like PHP and all that. So you prepare the report and you give it to your developer, whoever is the developer for that client, he and she will be taking care of that. Okay, it is taking a little bit more time. Okay, let it load, no worries. Meanwhile, let's talk about like options that you have. See, two options we have. Let it load. When it is completed, I will be showing you. But again, if I talked about advertisements, a few options we have for advertisements. Like if I go to Facebook and Instagram we have. So again in Facebook, one thing is like I can go to my page and I can directly boost the post. Like I can reach out to more people for this particular post generally. So I can go what we think to do. We just click on boost post and we see the options, like all the options, like I can go and I can select what I want normally, like what is my goal, like for this boosting the post, get more leads, engagement, traffic, calls and all. Leads is like getting customer contact informations and all that. Engagement is getting more likes here, comments and all that. And calls means I want more calls. Message means I want people to message me on the like Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp and all that. I want them to reach out to me through these channels and all. Then I can go and I can do that. Then afterwards, like suppose I want, for example, I want more messages. So I will click on that. Then I click on save. And then afterwards, I go here generally. So once I go, after that, see, I can see the post, whatever is there. And then after that headline, I can change if I want. And then afterward, messaging template. So what is messaging template? Means what message I want to start with. Like, hi, please let us how know, can I purchase? And then I can write the answers. Please leave your number. We will be contacting you soon and all that. So this again, we can do. So this is like shorter format. And then again, I can have this WhatsApp number, Instagram and all that. And then afterwards, I will scroll down and I can target audience. And we have a special ad category. So what is special ad category, guys? If I am advertising for credit, if I'm advertising for credit, employment, housing, social issues or election, then I will choose that. Otherwise, I will just keep that blank. And then afterwards, I will go here to the audience. And then again, you can see, I can see the audience detail and all. And then I can go and I can click on pencil icon. Once I go and once I click on pencil icon, see all men, women, I can see, and then afterwards, whatever I want to target, like women's, so I can target that. I want age, I can target that. Location, I can target that. Detail targeting, I can do, like they are suggesting me. So I can go and I can search. For example, I want to target people with digital marketing. So I can go and I can go ahead and I can type digital marketing interest, and then again I can browse also. And I can keep typing whatever like kind of people I want to target. Once I am done, they will be telling me the reach, the potential reach this is, not the actual reach. And then I can save the audience. Then afterwards, I will go duration, I will set, and then I will reset the amount and the placement. Placement means where I want that my ad. So I'm okay with all the places my ad to show. And then we go and then we just go and we add that. And again, whatever budget that we have set here, like if you can see here, the budget 250 rupees. So again, in 250 rupees, they are suggesting 1 to 7 replies we can get, like messages we can get. And you can see here the amount like 13.8K to 40K, like particularly reach we can expect and all, and we can go and we can get that. So this is like one way, and another way is like Instagram. You can go and you can again go and boost the post. Like you can go to the profile, like particularly, and your profile has to be like, for example, if I want to promote this, so I can go here, I can click on boost post. Once I go and once I click on boost post here, again, similar options you will find, like visit to your profile website, what you want and all that. And then again, audience, the budget and all durations and boost post. So why we use this? What are the use cases of this and all that? Generally, to make sure our content, normally whatever we post on regular basis, are getting likes, share, comments and all. So for engagement, we do that, guys. So if we want engagement, so boost post options can be good to make sure all our posts are getting likes, getting share, getting comments and all that generally. So I hope this one is clear. Any question on this, like a boost post option, like of one that we have the very basic of advertisements, like we can do. Any questions on this? I hope we got that. If you don't have, means you might not have posted something. So make sure your, like you can say Facebook page you will get, not for profile. Again, I'm saying Facebook page. And how you create the page? By going to the menu. And then here you get the page option, guys. When you switch to your profile. So once I switch to my profile, and then I will get here the create page option, create page. So I will create the page. Then once you post in the page, and then you will be getting the option. And your page should have information. It's not like blank page. It should have the name, the background, the logo, about us section should be there and all that. Your address, mobile number, and then again Gmail ID, like websites and all that. You will have to find all the informations and all, and then you will be getting. And for Instagram, like you need the basically like account that is professional account or creator account. How you change that? You go to the settings and then accounts, and then switch to the professional account. So once you switch, what advantage you have? You can advertise, and then again you can view the insight as well, guys. So you can go and you can view the insight, like last 30 days, how much views we have got and all that. How many followers have used that, what content type has been viewed by people and all that. So that you can get generally. So you will get. And if you converted today, Hers, you will not be getting. You post something else, like after converting that, then you might be getting in that. So they keep on changing their rules and all that. So might be you might be using the normal one, and today you converted. That's why like you can not like particularly get that informations and all. With low followers, can we make? Yes, you can make ads. Instagram has to be professional. If it is not professional, if you are getting this insight options and all that, then again you can do insight or business tools option or advanced dashboard or business tools, anything like that. If you are getting, then you will be getting the options and all. No, it is not my website. This is just for consultant purpose, like I consult people for that. Monetization is different thing, Hers. If you want to monetize, Instagram does not offer monetization, but Facebook does. And Facebook, if I show you how much you need for monetization criteria, so you need this 10,000 followers, and then after that 30,000 1-minute views on the video in past 60 days. So if you go to this criteria, then you can monetize, and Facebook does pay you and all that. Okay, now I hope we are clear. And the people who are not getting, you have to post something. You have to make sure your profile picture is there. If profile picture is not there, again, you won't be able to advertise and all that. Yes, you can collab or you can do the brand promotion. You can't monetize directly. Indirectly means you can do the brand collab and all, and you will be able to do that. So I hope now we are clear on this part, boosting post part, guys. Any question, further question? Are each like engagements you can get? Okay, what about other? Thank you, Mahesh, for typing. What about other people? Come on, any question, confusion, please clear it out before we move to the next part. Meanwhile, let me check if my video, okay, it is still doing. Okay, let me refresh it. I think this might be stuck. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Ekta. Now, again, if I go, again, I will go and I can choose here. See, next thing that I can do, I just refresh it, might be stuck. I was making the video with AI. You can see I can choose inspiring marketer, student, career changers. I can choose. And then again, look and feel. So suppose I wanted to be more inspirational kind of thing and all, or energetic. If I want, I can choose energetic. Suppose I want inspirational. If I want bright, I can go ahead with that. Then continue, and just it will take a minute to go and to create the ad. So now you will see it is creating the ad fast. So let's wait and it will, the best part what I love, it does everything for you, like from selecting videos, from like adding the subtitles, everything and all that, highlighting the subtitles and all. You can do most of the part. And if you tell it to create in the Instagram type, so it will be creating Instagram type. If you tell it video type, it will be able to create it. And I will show you some of the video generally we will see this video for particularly. Some other ads, some other particularly work. So again, that again won't be exciting you. So just let's wait for a 1 minute. It depends, Viraj. Like suppose it's depend upon your targeting. Like suppose if you are targeting people like you can say normal people or students or a college who has completed their college, if you are targeting, so you can literally run ads all the time. But suppose if my target audience is working people and I'm searching them on Instagram, so they will be using Instagram in the evening time mostly. So again, I can go and I can make the ads, and I can make sure my ads are running in the evening time more and all that. So that again, few things depending upon your target audience and all that. Or suppose I am targeting housewives, like for them, I have a part-time jobs and all. So what I can do, I can have the timing when they usually use the Instagram and all. Like suppose in the weekdays after 10 or 11, when their kids go to schools and all that generally. So again, we can go and we can use that, or after 8 or 9 and all that. Now again, let's see the video is created. Now first, let's go and let's see that. Okay, I'm already sharing the sound. Let me increase the sound and let's go. And just see that it's fully AI created. Just in front of you, I have.
Hey there, future digital marketers. Are you ready to skyrocket your career? Welcome to Excelar's digital marketing course in Bangalore, Our course covers everything you need to know: SEO, SEM, social media marketing, content marketing, and more. Gain hands-on experience with real-world projects, keyword research, creating meta tags, building backlinks, designing landing pages, and running ads. Plus, get internationally recognized certifications from Google Ads and HubSpot. With industry-based curriculum, over 70 labs and assignments, and more than 1,000 interview prep questions, we're here to ensure your success. Excelar guarantees job interviews with over 2,000 hiring partners and offers lifetime e-learning access. Your dream job is just around the corner. Join Excelar's digital marketing course in Bangalore and unlock endless opportunities in the digital world. Ready to take the leap? Learn more at excelar.com or call us at phone number.
See, just like we have done with the AI. Now, again, what I like here about this tool, I can click on edit, see, click on edit, and I can edit the script. Suppose any line I don't like, I can change that. I can change the media also. I can see here whatever lines are there, I can edit that. I can edit the music. I can edit the media. See, any of the blocks that I don't like. Suppose I can ask the XLR team to give me the certificates one, and I can show the XLR certificates and all. And I can just go here and I can again go and I can change that. I can upload the media and I can change that. So this is how, like, particularly if you don't have lot of like you can say money for basically, like you can say for a shoot and all that, then it can be an alternative. And if I talk you through the particularly if I show you like mostly, so if I just pricing I am talking about, so if I just go and if I say in video, and also like for service-based companies, you can also create the reels. And how much it costs, if I just show you the pricing, you can try for free. Like if you go with the monthly, 50 like per month. And in the 50, you get 50 minutes. And in $60, you get 200 minutes. So 200 minutes is very, very high, I will say. Like again, 200 minutes, like 200 reels you can create. And again, in this, like you can create 50 reels. So again, I can almost cater 2 clients at this $25, and I can tell them like, okay, I will be publishing 3-4 reels per week for them. I will be making and all, and I can do that. So again, if I go with $25 plan, and if I just convert that, particularly suppose $25 USD to INR. And again, you can see 2,000 rupees. And I can easily charge from client. The minimum charge of managing even for starting one is 5,000. So suppose if I'm managing 2 accounts, 10,000 rupees is paid. So again, I can invest 2,000 because it will take only 5 minutes to create one reel and all. Yes, if I do editing, I can tell, okay, 10-15 minutes more, suppose. So again, in 10-15 minutes, you can create the reel. Otherwise, it will take full day for you to go and to create that. Yes, if they are giving you more money, or they have the team that is ready to shoot and all, that you can do. But again, this can be a perfect alternative for the small businesses, those who can't afford like very higher and all that. So again, you can go and you can have that particularly. So again, this is like, again, I showed you on live, that's why, so that now you will be able to understand how you can use the AI also, and how you can say how fast AI is working and all that. So again, no, if you buy their plan, then there will be no watermark. But for free, it will give you watermark and all that. For free, if you do that, it will give you watermark and all that generally. Hi, you can create that. You can first create the script, then come to script to video. And what I love, they do have endless option to change and edit the script. Whatever line you don't like, just change that and all, and you can do that. Yes, you can download. For free also you can download, but again, it will be watermark generally. So all this will be watermark, but when I download now, it will not will have the watermark and all that. So for example, if I show you, like if I download this now, like suppose here no watermark, you can see I have the paid plan, so I do not have the any watermark, so I can go and I can download that and normally. So again, for it will show you also how much licenses left, how many stock images you can choose and all. And it can be again a game changer. And it is getting better day by day, guys. Whatever we are seeing today, tomorrow they might come up with a new update and you might get exciting features and all that. By collaborations, Ravi, they are making that. You have to check. I think they support Hindi, but I don't know if they support regional language. So you can search in video a regional language support. If I go here, 50 plus language they say. So you can go and you can see here. And again, Hindi is there. But I'm not sure about very other language as well. So below are the other language. Hindi is there, Marathi is there, Tamil is there. So Tamil you can find if you are looking for Tamil, and then but it is in paid plan and all that. So Tamil, Marathi, and all that you can find that in the paid plan and all that. So some are there, not all are generally. Like you have to check that daily limit. No, there is no daily limit. Yeah, you can add, but for that you need like text to like you can say audio. So if you want that, then you need text to audio tool. So you can go and you can use text to audio, you can generate like a voice maker, text to speech converter, free text to speech online. So again, 2000 here you can include, and then you can write and all that, and then you can choose here, see, whatever you want. So suppose like if I'm looking for like what I will say, suppose like if I'm going with Marathi, yeah, Marathi you have. If I go for Telugu, Telugu is not there. If I go with Tamil, yeah, Tamil is there. So again, I can write and I can again convert that, and then you can do particularly. So again, it can be great. So you can go and you can see here and all that 50,000 up to that. So again, if you go with the pro version, they will give you more. So there are multiple options that you can go and you can do. So per week, they have the character limit. But again, if you are making short form of content, that will be more than enough and all that. Podcast is like generally it's about talking with the people. Podcast, you guys have to understand, podcast will work when your PR is good. For example, if I invite, for example, I'm giving you examples like here. So again, you can say like, for example, if I go and if I like invite, for example, XLR founder, co-founder, or suppose Bangalore head of XLR and all that. Or suppose I invite any renowned digital marketer, any renowned freelancers and all that. Then again, people will be interested in the podcast. But again, if I am not calling any, like you can say, you can say highlighted people or people that are famous in the social media and all that. So it will be difficult for me to go through the podcast. Why? Because there are a lot of podcasts that are already made. So don't get fooled by the podcast course and all that. Podcast, what it is a shorter clip, shorter version and all, and longer version is on YouTube. Like suppose if I invite, for example, if you remember the first like you can say class, do we remember where we had the dean of all the colleges, the principal, the HODs, and a lot of people where they all were giving their thoughts? So that was podcast only. If you do that and you post on the internet, so that was podcast, and people will be eager to know why, because again, those all are the highly educated people. Those all are again a owner and all that of the colleges, or sitting at the very higher positions and all, basically. So again, please remember, before starting podcast, you have to make sure you have the list of the people and you are capable to call them on that. So if you are the one person that have very good network generally, so then, or for example, suppose I want to start a podcast, the normal podcast. So for example, So what I can do, I can call my students, every student and all that I have doubt, and then I can say them, hey, I want to make your podcast. So will available? And then I can talk about, okay, what challenges you face, how my teaching helped you, or how the institute you enroll, how they help you, and how you have reached and how much time it took. So again, you guys will be interested in that. So I have to think of the idea out of box and all that. It's not like I will just go and I will take any random guy and I will say, bro, let's go and let's put podcast. So again, nobody will be interested and we will be wondering, yeah, we have buy the course and all that. We have buy the mics and all that. And again, we did not get anything and all that. So you have to think always out of the box. Now let's go and let's see the other part of the meta ads that we call meta like ads manager or Facebook ad manager. Facebook ads manager. And before making ads and all that, always now one more thing is there, guys, that you can always check is meta ad library. Now this is my favorite place to go and to check. Why? Because I love to check what competitor is doing. For example, suppose like XLR team tells us to build the advertisements and they tells us to come up with the idea. One is like I can generate AI and I can give them and I can ask for the video clip and I can go and I can change that video clip. That can work. Second is I will check the competitor. For example, suppose competitor or people who are doing the similar things and all. So I can go and I can take the ideas and all that and I can go and I can do that. For example, there is a like you can say, I think, let's check for Myntra. For example, I'm doing for what I will say like fashion brand. And I have no idea like, okay, what kind of ads I can do and all. So see, I can go and I can check for Myntra. Now, once I check for Myntra here, see, I will be able to see what kind of ads they are running. See, premium luggage and all that generally. And then again, look one, look two and all. I can go and I can see. Again, here I can see what kind of...
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come.
So he might be like, you can say influencer because he has created with Myntra and all that. Now, again, you can say what they are doing. See, again, I will also know what is happening. So see, again, colored glitter. So again, she might be the influencer that is doing partnership with that Myntra and all that. And then again, if I go ahead here, you can see two ads again with Myntra and all that generally. And then again, I can see by Neha with Myntra and all that. So I can go and I can see here, again, they are doing like kind of influencer marketing ads. And then again, I can go and I can see what kind of ad, what kind of poster they are creating so that I will be also able to tell my creative team to create that. How you check that? I want everyone to check one time. Meta ad library you have to type, guys. Please go and please type that. Meta ad library, everyone. You can check from your phone also, mobile phone. So if you are not using particularly laptop, so still you can do that. Please check everyone and let me know if you are able to get that. Check for any brand, whatever brand you want. You can check for Myntra, you can check for Amazon, you can check for Flipkart and all. Please check and let me know. Okay, perfect. What about other people? Checked, okay. Okay, I hope this will be helping for us as a beginner, guys. like what kind of creatives, what kind of ads that we need for any client or for any brands and all. Suppose if you get assignments also, like for example, if I apply to any job and they give, I want you to create an all ads. So again, you can always go and you can see that analysis and it will give you a very good ideas like, okay, these kind of ads I can try and I can go ahead with that. Now, again, similarly, like platform wise also is there. So see, Twitter, again, Twitter requires a paid, like you can say, generally premium one, then only you will be able to advertise. Without premium, you can't able to advertise on Twitter. And generally on Twitter, if you get the clients that are public figures, so again, you need to advertise. Again, other than that, brands again advertise very less unless and until it is very big brand like Apple or Wipro companies or very multi-billionaire companies or millionaire companies, you can say. So generally business don't advertise there. Why? Because first reason is it is opinionated platform. Like it does not give you a very good return on ad spend. But second reason is again, I need to buy their paid plan, then only I can advertise. So for LinkedIn also you have. So now for LinkedIn, what you can do, LinkedIn ad library you can type. Suppose I want to run a LinkedIn ad, or suppose if I go and I got an idea, means I got an idea from like or assignments from the company that I am applying, and they are saying we want you to make the LinkedIn ad. So just scroll down, and when you go, you will get this link. Again, I am showing how you have to go. Just go in the Google, type LinkedIn ad. Yes, they will tell you that also hurts. Like how much they have spent and all that. Now again, you will click on LinkedIn ad library and then just scroll down and click on go to LinkedIn ad library. So once you go, now you can search by company. So for example, like suppose I want to know about Simplilearn, for example. So again, if I want to know simplilearn.com, for example, I can go and I can search here. And then I can go and I can check for the country and all that, and I can click on search. So again, if I go here, like let me search with only Simplilearn. Let's see if I'm getting the ads. Yeah, see that. You just had need to write the name and then see, you can see here the ads that they are running and all. So that will give you a very good idea about what kinds of, see, I can see the creative idea. I can go and I can do that. So I want you to quickly check this also. What you need to type, LinkedIn ad library. Please check it and confirm me once you guys are getting it. Are we getting it, guys? It's not working, I think. Okay, you have account, Ravi, on LinkedIn. So if you don't have account, then I think you might be facing issues. If you have account, those people who have account will not be facing the issues. You do need LinkedIn account at least. So these are like my ways. Then it will come. Like, I think you might have searched with the wrong name. Sonia and Ajit. I think you guys have sorry, Ravi. Ajit is getting that. So please check the name properly. Type LinkedIn ad library and then just go to the non-ad one. You don't need to click on the sponsored one. click on the organic one, and then scroll down. You will go to LinkedIn ad library, and then you write the name here. So for example, suppose there is a thing called Immertus. Immertus Mica. If I just go here, just a second. If I just go, and now suppose, for example, this. Again, I have to write the name. I cannot need to write everything. Just name, I will go here, paste, and then afterwards search. So if I go and search, see, it is coming. In front of you only I am typing. So you have to make sure you are doing it correct. I will wait for 1 more minute. No worries. Please try again. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So naming should be correct, guys. Name should be correct, then only you will get, and you will go and you will get that and all. Okay, perfect. Okay, no worries, no worries. Now again, like suppose what if I have to make now ads depending upon the client requirement. So if we have to make the ads depending upon the client requirements and all, so what I need to do is I need to go and I need to generally Google it and I need to have a page. So page is mandatory. If you have a page, then you can go and you can type Facebook Ad Manager. So once you go and once you type a Facebook Ad Manager, so again, if you go ahead and if you see here, like ad management for Facebook, Instagram, Meta for Business, and all, so you will be able to go and you will be able to see that and you will be able to take on that. So again, if I go ahead here, generally, so I can go and I can see here and then I can click, but please make sure you have the account and you have the page also. If page is not there, you have to create the page and then you can see that. So let me just give you an overview of this so that you guys at least know what is working, what you guys can do and what you can go ahead and you can do. So first thing is, like when you go to create, these are the campaign objective. So first time if you go to this Facebook Ad Manager, now you will get the campaign objective. So depending upon that, like awareness, if I want traffic, if I want engagement, if I want leads, if I want app promotion, if I want sales, whatever I want. So again, if you see that on the right hand side, it is telling what it is good for. So what is reaching out to new people every time. Awareness means again making sure one people sees your ad multiple times so that he will remember it. Video views when you are advertising on the video format. Store location awareness, if you have a physical store and you want people, more and more people to know about it and all. So then we will go with that. Then again, if I go with traffic, so again, it is good for link clicks, means I want more and more clicks to happen on my link and I want people to go to like either my website. So again, landing page views, that is a website. Then Instagram profile, even you can take people to your Instagram account, and then Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp. If they have any questions, they can ask you regarding that product or service that you are advertising about and all. And even call option Facebook gives you. Then engagement. So what is engagement? Engagement is when I want people to have more likes, share, comments on my ads, whether the ads that I have already, means the post that I have already posted on Instagram, or like you can say particularly already posted on a Facebook, and I want more engagement on that. Nowadays, you have seen like everyone is showing, like everyone talks about views. How I generated 1 million views on my Instagram. I will tell you in the master class and all that. And how I generated 10 million views on my Instagram with one reel, with two reels and all. You might be seeing a lot of ad. How many of you are seeing those ads? Are we seeing that? Everyone is talking about views. I will tell you how you can also do that. Today, if you learn the ads now, I will show you that one ad, and then this you can do. You can go and through that and all. So again, what they do now, like for example, like suppose, if I go to my, for example, if you see that Instagram, if I go, suppose if I go to my Instagram, and here it is mine. Though I do not advertise a lot in Instagram, but suppose if I want here to go ahead with this reel, but this reel again I have done here. If you see what people does is like normally they go and they try to, if I go here, let me see if the boost option I am getting, sorry, I will not get. So suppose this reel or this reel, any of the three, suppose I want to now increase this into million. What I can do now, I can advertise and I can increase that. How? Let me tell you. But before that, please remember when you next time visit that, now you can always see what it is good for. According to that, you can choose. Now, what I want more engagement in the existing reel and all that. So what I will choose, guys, I will choose engagement and then I will click on continue. I will go with the manual engagement campaign. Why manual? Because I have more options then. Because I again want to advertise only in Instagram. Since it is my post, I want to get more views on that. So I will go and I will go here and then continue. And then once we continue here, if I scroll down here, now again, what we need to do is like campaign name you can give. Special ad only you will choose if you are doing or anything of this like credit, employment, housing, social elections and all that. And then after that, if you do any of this, then you will categorize, otherwise no. Then after that, I will just go, two options is there, A/B testing and campaign budget. So campaign budget, when we choose if I'm creating multiple ad copy, like suppose my team has good budget. So suppose I have 10,000 rupees and all that, and I have a good budget. And what I want is like, I want to test if video will do good, if like carousel multiple post will do good, or single image will do good. Then I can do the A/B testing. Or suppose I and Sakshi is working in the same team and Mahesh is also in the same team. So again, Mahesh is saying, sir, we should target first Bangalore and then we will see how much we are getting, then we will go. But suppose Sakshi is saying, no, sir, we need to target all the tier 1 cities. And I'm saying, why not target India? So again, like how we will know who is right, in which we will get more leads and the cost will be lesser and all that. So again, how we will know? By testing that, by creating multiple like campaign with testing mode. So if you are in the mode of test, then you do that. So 3 things you test. First, ad copy, audience, third is placement. Like suppose Mahesh is saying, sir, we should advertise at all Facebook and Instagram. Where Sakshi is saying, no, we should advertise, sir, only in Instagram. And I'm saying, no, we should advertise only in stories and a reel, because that is where people spend most of the time. So again, we can do experiment and we can see which one is right or which one is getting more results. It's not about right, it's about getting results for the client. So when clients is okay for testing, then you go with this option. And thus, if you have more like multiple ad copy, then you will select, otherwise no need for that. Why? Because if I select that, see, budget will distribute your across currently delivering ad set. So if I have multiple ad set, then it is of use. Otherwise, you can keep it off if you have only one ad copy. But it is advisable if you are doing ads for leads, for sales, or if you want more and more people to go to your website visit. So again, it is advisable to go with the multiple like you can say ad copy. But now what I want to increase my views of the reels and all that. Then again, if I go ahead here, I will go to next. Then again, ad set name, any name you can keep. Particularly like I can keep reel boost or increasing reel views and all. And then here, see, conversion location. So what I want here, I want on my ad. What I will choose here, on my ad. Why? Because I want views on my reel. I don't want my views anywhere else and all that. And then engagement type. If it is a reel, choose video views. If it is a post, choose post engagement. And then afterwards, you will scroll down and let it be through views and just scroll down. And dynamic creative, we will not select. Why? What is dynamic creative? First of all, like giving 4 pictures, 4 headline or multiple headline. 4 means you can give more than 4 also. I'm just giving you as an example. And then which picture will go better with which headline, that Facebook will decide. So if you want that, then you can keep it on. But what we are doing here, we want to increase the views of our Instagram reel. And then budget. So suppose budget I want to have 100 rupees here. 100. So again, I put 100, then start date, what time I want to start, I can keep, and then I can scroll down here, add scheduling. So again, since I have choose the daily budget, so if you go with the lifetime budget now, then you can go ahead and you can choose which time you want. Like suppose I can go and I can choose like I want my ad from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and then I want from 6 p.m. to that. That we can only choose if we select here lifetime budget. If you choose daily budget, this option is not available. Then again, I will scroll down. I will choose the location, which location I want to target. And then again, audience. So suppose like I want to reach out to audience that are interest of mine. So suppose my page is related to digital marketing. So I can go and I can go ahead, audience suggestion, and then see age group I can choose here. Age group I can choose, gender I can choose just by clicking on edit. We can do that. And then gender I can choose, like suppose men, women, what we want and all that. Detailed demographics, like suppose I want to reach out to all, and I think 65 won't be good. So I will be going till 45 age group, like they will be interested in digital marketing. And then detailed demographics, so people whoever is interested in digital marketing. And then again, I will go here and I will go ahead with this. And then see on the right hand side, I will get the idea like how much reach it will be in whatever money that I am giving to the Facebook and all. Then placement. So placement where I want. So again, I will click on edit and I will go with manual. Advantage means it will show on both the places, Facebook and Instagram. But what I want, I only want on Instagram. Because it's not necessary now, like people are active on both, because I just want to increase my views. So I won't be doing that on a Facebook or any other. So Messenger Audience Network is the third party websites that have done partnership. Then after selecting this, I will click on next. Then here see add a name. Again, name you can give anything what you guys remember, like you can give the reels views, engagement, and you can give the real name so that you remember, okay, I increase that views from this ad and all. And then you will choose your page and Instagram account. Then afterwards, here, this step, when it will be coming, if you have like your Facebook and Instagram account linked, how you link that? You go to your page. I'm showing you, please see here. Then you switch to your page by clicking and all that. Once you switch here, once you switch that, and then afterwards, you can see here, you will find this option of settings. You click on the settings and then you go to the link account option. So just find your link account option, link account. Then again, you link your Instagram, you link your WhatsApp and all. So once you link, then only you guys will be getting here options of WhatsApp also and all, if you choose different objective type that I showed you. Then afterwards, just I will scroll down here and see ad setup, create ad. Under ad setup, guys, what I will choose? Can we see here? We have the option of use existing post. I hope it is visible to everyone. It is under ad setup option. So again, we can go in the ad setup and we can choose here existing post. Now here you can scroll down, select post and see Instagram. We will go. We will choose Instagram and see. Like suppose this, I want to increase this view and all that. Now again, see reel with licensed music can't be used in the ad. So I have used the licensed music. So if I show you licensed music means I have used that B Parag music and all that for this post and all you can see. So again, I have used this B Parag, you can say. But again, rest I can do that. Like suppose this one, I've not used that. So I can go here and see continue. I can go and I can click on continue. Once I go to the continue, see automatically they have taken my text and all. And see, I can decide the chat on WhatsApp options also, whatever I want. So again, there is a add variations option also they are giving and all that. And then again, you can scroll down. And then just you can click on here, send WhatsApp message here, call to action is there. So suppose I don't want learn more, I want. So I can go and I can go ahead with the learn more options and all. So again, here website URL, if you want, you can give generally. So again, like suppose I want my Instagram like link to give. So I can go here instead of that API.that, I can go here to my Instagram. Once I go to my Instagram here, and then I can copy. Once I copy here, I can go, and then after that, learn more. Here, I can give this here. So what will happen? They will click on learn more and they will be going to my Instagram. And then afterwards here, I can go and publish. And my ad will be again viral and it will be having millions of views and all that. That is how they talk. Nobody talks about engagement. Like, have you ever seen anyone who is teaching you Instagram masterclass is talking about engagement? Have you remember any ad? Any one of you remember any ad that they talks about engagement, how to increase the Instagram engagement? They all talks about like particularly how to get 1 million views and all that, and a reach. A reach you can get. Trust me, you can get the reach. You can get the reach. If I show you now proof, let me show you. Like if you show now here, like see if you go now, you are seeing now 2167. So that's why we said whatever you are seeing on social media, not all things are correct. See that 2167. Just for my students, see all other my one has got, some has got good views, some has got decent views, some has got that 1300, 600, 800, because I am not a regular, to be frank. You need to be regular and all. And I was just checking with AI content how is like they are like feedback is coming and all that normally. Now again, if I show you now the C 2167 and I'm showing you proof here. Like let me go and let me see here. Like I will not publish this. Let me show here. And I showed you also how you can make also like how peoples are making fool. But if I just show you here, just wait a second. I don't want. Wait, okay, I have to go to campaign. Sorry. Perfect. Let me go here with maximum. Let me see if it is having, or I deleted it. Post engagement. No. Okay, I think someone new engagement. See here. Can you see this new engagement campaign here? Just see like how much reach has been generated. This was done for client because client was asking, Roshan, yaar, we are not getting views. If somebody will come, so what we do? Can you see the per post engagement? We just for 64 rupees, we have reached to 4,692 and all. And he want to generally reach out to many people. And can you see here the engagement, guys? Across to 1,000 engagement we have got, and what was the cost? 64 rupees here. I hope it is visible to you. I hope everyone, let me little bit, let me do. Okay, I can't make, no, I can't make it large. I hope it is visible to everyone. So that engagement is like, share, comments, like, share, comments, and for videos it is views. So that is how they are making fools of you. So don't fool for any Instagram post chat list and all that. You can also today you can go and you can do that. For example, if I just show you now, like my client also sometime when we run ads, we also get that. For example, if I go and if I show you the insight now, 90 days. See that reach, account reach. So again, I can also go and I can say how I reach to my non-follower 9. But these are paid ads one. They have run from ad manager and they make you fool, like because we were running ads, lead generation ad I was running for client, because he needs leads for people who are looking for MBBS college and all that. NEET exams was happen and all that. And if I go back, like generally we don't have options from mobile. Like generally you can go and you can see it does like trillions of accounts we had reached with the ads and all. So don't get always na, if anyone's is offering you na Instagram like a master class, ask him, tell me engagement, show me your ad manager account. You have not advertised that, you have not used engagement, and then you have selected the post and you have advertised. That is how people gets views. Only one thing you have to remember, you don't have to use the copyright one and all that. Means you don't have to use the Instagram music. What you have to do, you have to add the music while adding the reel. Again, you can add that on Canva or whatever app that you use and all, and then you can do that. So I hope you are clear now, like how people are generally creating. Everyone, you might be surprised by some account, all their reel are going viral. Not one, every reel is going viral. So everything can't be viral. I can promise you that, because I have been creating content not for me, but for my clients and all from a longer period of time. And I have created a lot of product content, service content, and I keep testing. You will find a lot of things I keep on testing on my accounts always and all that, because I am not a content creator at first place. So I'm a trainer. So I make sure I test and I know so that I can tell you like, okay, what is happening and all that. So again, that is one thing. So I hope today you guys got an idea of Facebook ads and how the people are increasing their post likes. Or for example, I'm showing you one more. Let's see, for you to believe. If you see here, there was one post. When NEET results come, so client messages and tells our team like, yeah, we want more likes on that post. I said, okay, you want likes? So again, just a second. Let me see. Just a second. The day actually NEET results came out. Yeah. See here. So can you see here how many likes are there? But when you click on view inside now, it does not tell you it's a ad one or a organic one. It just give you this disclaimer. So this disclaimer does not do justice. But again, you can see I can go and I can show in my ad. See how I get engagement in single post. I will tell you a secret in my Instagram master course. Join now in 99 rupees. And again, people does show that. People never show this disclaimer and all that. And then just see nowhere it is written it is. And any idea how much I would have spent to get that much of engagement? Any random guesses? Then I will show you also. Any random guesses? 1K? Okay, any other random guesses? And I will show you exact amount. I will show you 50 rupees. Okay, Ravi is close enough, I guess. Not 1K. 1K is so very hard. 1K, 10 post, 10, 15, like 20 posts, we can do the engagement like that. Okay, let's see that. Let's now see that. So for that, I have my client account. So let me just go, wait. Actually, Facebook, if I go, let me just show you Facebook. If I just move to log out. Okay, just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Let me just log in from. Wait. Yeah. Now let me share that. So I was just switching so that's why I like stop the screen sharing, guys. I'm just sharing it again. I hope my screen is visible. Okay, perfect. So see, this is a client account and I can again show you. See, this is a client account, not my account. That was my different account. This is a client account. For this we use. Now again, let me show you in the ad manager. If I go here, Facebook Ad Manager. And then I go here, continue. So you can see this is my client account, and you can see like how much we spent. It depends upon client requirements and all. So again, if I go ahead here, like again, I can go and I can see. So again, if you see here, like suppose if I just show you, let me just go with the last month, or let me go with the maximum. Post engagement, if you can see here. Can you see this new engagement? I'm showing you ads also, so that you guys get a very good idea. Like suppose if I go, just a second, let me refresh it. Yeah, this new neat engagement one. So if you see here now, let me show the ad copy also. See ad copy, if I show, like just see that the same image is there. If you see here, see this. Same image is there that was on the Instagram. If you see that, see the same image is there. If I go to the profile and if I just show you here, just a second. So here, see that same image is there. Now again, let me go and let me show you. See the same image, exactly same image, and nothing changes. And just see here, like engagement that we got, and see here the cost per engagement, like how much we got and all that, and see how much we spend, guys. It's in front of you. See here. And see the engagement, like we got like results post engagement 161. So few we got organic also, and few got so this is how like most Instagram businesses, coaches and all that, they are teaching you like how I do this, how I do that and all. Now let's go to the LinkedIn. I hope it is clear now how we can promote from ad manager also, boost post also. But if you boost post now, it will show in you the like insight, like you have created from ad particularly. But when you do from ad manager, it does not show you, guys. So that is the advantage of having ad manager and all that. That's why we call that advanced level of ad we can do from ad manager. No, LinkedIn, I'm just coming here. So I hope Facebook, Instagram is a little bit clear, at least the basic part and all. I hope everyone understood here what is going around and all. If you get the client who wants to like increase his engagement or her engagement in Instagram, I hope you guys will be able to do that by choosing the engagement, and you can choose the post and all. Just make sure don't tell client to add the music from Instagram. Rather, you add from your side, and don't take avoid popular music and all that. Means popular in the sense like key series and all that. Please avoid that. Then after that, YouTube, we covered YouTube here. That YouTube videos, you can, instead of your ad, you can give the YouTube video link, and then again your YouTube video views will be increasing and all that normally. Now again, let's go to the LinkedIn. Let's see LinkedIn, guys, before again you guys start craving for your attendance. Then here, if I go ahead, LinkedIn, then again, for LinkedIn, again, please make sure, guys, for LinkedIn, you have the page option. Now, profile is a different thing. Page is a different thing. Profile is for my personal. Page is for my professional. Means if I want to advertise and all that, then I can have the page and all that. So again, make sure you have the page options. Like I have a couple of pages here. How you will create the pages? You will go to for business option in your LinkedIn, and then you will go and you will click on create a company profile, company page and all that. So once you go and once you click on create a company page, then afterwards you will be able to go and you will be able to do that and all normally. Now, again, if I go ahead and I create that, you will be able to first create that, then advertise option. So either for business you will find or advertise directly. So if you click on advertise, LinkedIn offers two types of advertisement. We will cover the simple one. So simple one, how we do that. just we click on create. We have the account. For example, suppose we have this account. So I can go here, I can click on create campaign. And once I go ahead here, wait, this is not, just wait. No, just a second, guys. So it offers you two, because again, I keep using ads now. That's why I am directly getting to the advanced one, but I want to show you the basic one that is very super easy to create that. Let me create one account only. So once you create the account, now, like you go and create account and you choose the currency here and also suppose Indian currency and the page, whatever page you have and all. So just like suppose I choose this page, for example, and I save it here. So once first thing you have to create the account, then you click on create campaign. And once you create the campaign here, now you will get the quick option. Advanced again have multiple options, multiple choices, but quick is very, very easy to do that. Like even a beginner can do that, like without any knowledge. So again, you will have this brand awareness and website visit. So again, we will choose what we want. Suppose I want website visit or I want brand awareness. Then again, they have three options here. Saved means that we have already run the ads. Profile based means like suppose I want to reach out to people of India and suppose their job title or job function, because it is a B2B platform where professional details are there. So for example, suppose I want to run the ad for whoever has job title, na, like suppose digital marketing intern. For example, suppose I am launching a premium course for them. For example, I am telling you, so I can reach out to them and I can see here what is the audience size in India and all that. So suppose I want globally, I can go ahead. So again, you can choose anything. You can save audience. So next time you can save. So either you can choose profile based audience or I can choose LinkedIn template. So what is LinkedIn template? Like predefined audience. Now I can just go here and I can choose. So again, they have predefined, like if you can see, either you want to reach out to people with bachelor degree, biotechnology, Bitcoin one, or expertise in computer science, corporate HR professional, a customer experience professional, expertise in like development operations, expertise in enterprise resource planning, event planner, finance advisors and all that, financial decision makers and all. I can go and I can choose, but I can't choose multiple, guys. I can only choose one. So for example, I want to reach out to all marketing professionals. I will go and I will go ahead and all that. And then afterwards here, if I scroll down, I can go and I can choose here the locations, language, and just I can choose what format I want. So if I want format like single image, I can go ahead. If I want video, I can go ahead with that. Then again, scroll down, give the budget. With LinkedIn, again, minimum is 500 they take. So again, see, if I go with daily budget now, minimum they take like, if I go ahead with 500. So again, 500 is the minimum that they take. You can't advertise in 100 rupees. At least 500 should be the budget for LinkedIn per day in INR and all that. Then start and end date, you can click on save and continue as per your audience, whatever you selected. And then here you can browse or you can click on create new. And then here your ad name. So ad name is for you only. Then again, introduction text, here you type whatever text, like suppose, for example, suppose this, I have choose this page and all generally, and then destination URL and all that I can give, and here I can upload the image. So again, I can take the image, upload that, or else what I can do here is now, like I can go and I can select. So whatever image that I have already uploaded, I can select, but I don't have. So I can go and I can upload the image. So whatever image that I have, for example, if I go here, like suppose not this one. Okay, out of. Suppose this one, for example, I'm just showing you. So you can see add to library. And then select and then see, you can see how your ad will be coming. And then alt text and any more upload if you want, you can do. And then you can save ad. Once you save ad, create. Just click on create and it is done. Next, you add the payment and it is done. And here you can see how much total spend and how much reach you can expect and all. And LinkedIn is 5 times a much higher cost than Facebook and all. So LinkedIn, you need a good budget. At least if you spend 3,000, 4,000 rupees per day, then only you can expect some results. Otherwise, it will not give. Whereas in Meta ads, if you spend from 500 to 1,000 or 1,500, if you are doing, you can expect per day for per ad. So you can expect some results going around and all. But still, it will be on your how you have built your Instagram highlights and all that you have added is your things and all that you have kept and all. So that again will be like interesting to see that and all. So that is what we have for advertisement today. Now, please make sure you guys fill the attendance form before you leaving. I hope today you guys learned something new, something valuable. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now, again, I am open for questions. Any questions related to like this part, what we covered, please go ahead and ask. I'm open for question. And people who are leaving, please make sure, guys, you fill the form, the attendance form. Anyone has any questions before we wrap up? I will just tell my team herds to check on that XLRT my POC. So I will just suggest them to upload that. Though I think whatever today was practical, so there will be nothing for today. Just you have to watch the videos. But when there is a conceptual thing, so I will share with the XLR and you will find that in that. You will find that they will be uploading that. Don't worry. I will just tell my POCs and all that. Okay, Sakshi, thank you so much. Okay, perfect. So thank you, guys. Then I will just take your leave now. Have a fantastic day and have a happy weekend. See you on Monday. So Monday we have something more exciting. So do join on Monday.
Yeah. Thank you, Roshan.
Yeah, thank you.
So students, mark your attendance. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat box. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have a session. So we have session on Monday. The content was not uploaded after 6 days when it will upload. By tomorrow afternoon, we will upload it, okay? Ma'am, till when we get certificate. So after completion of this program, it will take 1 week to get your certificate. Okay? Attend and submit. Okay, good. Course complete within 15 days. Yes. It is a 30 hours program. So we are teaching only 15 days, 2 hours per day. Where will receive certificates? So your certificates you will get in your registered emails. Okay, whatever emails you registered here, so that email ID will get. Is there any assignment for faculties? No, Sinchana. There is no any assessments for this. Okay, you're talking about exam, right? Yeah, anybody can write. Preferably students. So what's the percentage of attendance should be there for certificate? So it's a 60% attendance is mandatory. when we have the exam. So we will be conducting on 10th, means last day of this program. 60% means the minimum how many classes should be attended. So Gauri, like this is a 15 days program, right? You have to mark your attendance at least 9 days. Okay, 9 days is compulsory. So Mahesh Kumar, exam won't impact on your certificate. So only attendance is mandatory. Everyone is eligible for assessment, preferably students. Okay, Sinchana, I hope I answered your question. Ma'am, can we get recordings of these lectures? Yes, in LMS you will get these recordings. Is the certificate not available on the dashboard? No. No, Sharat, it is not. It will come to your emails, okay, valid emails. Won't be it manual certificate? No, it will come a soft copy. Ma'am, attendance mandatory annaru? Yes, now also I'm telling the same. Attendance is mandatory for the certificate. Okay, Sanjana, just you can try the exam. I will get, practice. How to get that LMS? So, Siddhi, drop an email to edl@xlr.com that I need a LMS access. Okay. So, I'll drop that email in the chat box. Just take from here. Okay. Ma'am, after this course completed, there any other new live courses which will... Yeah, Neha. Actually, I will explain that program, that like new program, end of this program. Okay. We are coming next with a Salesforce. Okay. I will update more things about that later. Still, we have 3 days, no? So that time I'll explain clearly. Ma'am, what if we get low score in the assessment? In assessment, if you get low score also, nothing will happen. Okay, but maintain your attendance. You will get certificate or else it will affect on your certificate. Ma'am, compulsory to attend the exam? No, because we are testing your knowledge, like how you understand these topics and all. Okay, for that only we are keeping that assessment. Exam timings, I will update loud. Yeah? Okay, still we have 3 days, no, for that. Exam pattern will be MCQ type. Exam is not mandatory. Okay. Yeah, maybe it will affect. Grace Angelina. So, do you mention as a faculty? Because this is SDP, no? It may affect. Do you have any free business analytics courses? So, Sharad, if you have LMS access means, you can see their store. Okay. In store, we have 30 plus different technical programs. So, whichever you like, you can go to that. Okay. But for that recording, programming classes, we are not giving any certificate. You only gain knowledge on that. If you want certificate, you have to watch live recordings and you have to mark your attendance here. When will the exam held? So it is on 10th. It's Wednesday. Can we have any drive opportunity through XLR? No. For this program, we are not giving any placement assistance. No, Jahnavi. Assessment is not mandatory for the certificate. That's okay, Grace Angelina will see, okay? Chalo, okay. So, good to go. We'll wind up the session for the day and we'll meet on Monday. Okay, happy weekend, guys. Good night, everyone. So going forward, yeah, that's better. It will help. Okay, thank you, students, for joining the session, and we'll meet on Monday. Up to then, take care. Good night. Bye bye. Go and have your food.